Hey peeps, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I did that jumbo ponytail. It's very quick and easy. It took me like 20 minutes to complete it, and trust me guys, this style is a save some money hairstyle. It doesn't cost much, just two small packs of the braid that I show you, which is Jamara braid, but you can use whichever braid you want to. Expression, if you're using expression 84-inch braid, it's just one pack, but if it's a small pack of braid like the one I showed you, you maybe want to use two packs to get your plait fluffy enough or fat enough. So today I switched up my part a little. I did not do the straight center part, I tried the zigzag part. So my face was too shabby, so I went and did this, my brows, little eyeshadow and lip gloss and a little face powder. So now I'm placing my braid, but guys, you have to place the braid on top of your ponytail. That's the little ponytail from my hair. You see I'm placing it on top there. That's where it's supposed to be, and I'm taking out a little piece because I'm gonna need that to wrap around the width of the hair. So I'm using a hairpin to keep it in place because I don't want it to shift or fall off. So I'm wrapping it firmly enough because I don't want it to loosen out, and then I'm gonna use some of my got to be glued spray and spray the area that it doesn't loosen out, because this will help to hold it firmly in place. Then I'm detangling the braid because I'm gonna separate it into three parts, and I'm gonna do my jumbo plait. So here's my plait guys, it's almost done, and if you can notice I didn't plait it too tight because I want my plait to have that extra fat look. Oh well, my plait is finished now, so I'm gonna go to my edges now. Okay, so my hair is super flat, so I don't need to add too much styling gel to my hair. And trust me guys, styling gel is not safe for your hair, worse when it's relaxed. So if you can avoid using too much styling gel, it's much better for you. But you know, sometimes we just use it to style our hair and to help it helps to keep our hair in place so the style can last longer, but it's not good. Remember I told you that. So I'm almost done. I'm just gonna finish my edges and that's it. Okay, so this is my finished look. If you like this hairstyle, remember to thumbs up the video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.